Up in here, your brake line. This is a tubing cutter. You can use this on this end. This is a tube flaring kit. In it there's different fittings, different style of flares. There's at least 3 different kinds of flares. According to this diagram, you can see a little bit about you use the different tools to accomplish a different part of the flare. There's flares, double reverse flares, bubble flares. Each of them have a different purpose. For this particular application, we're just going to use a common flare. Okay, this is the other end that we cut off. This is a tubing cutter. You can use this if the end of it's not smooth enough to use, or you need to shorten the length or work with it. In this case, we're going to do it just to true up the end of this. You tighten it a little bit and turn it, ends up with the cutting wheel, cuts it off. We're going to take the piece that we took off the very far end, we're going to slide it on to the front piece of the tubing that we're going to keep and use. This tool has various different ports on it for different size tubing. In the very opening of these, there is a flare curvature to this that helps preset what you need to do with that style of flare. You will need to leave a little bit of the tip out, so as the tool applies, it will spread and has material to force it into the funnel of that flare. As you can see, the tip of that has now been flared, which allows this piece to slide out and have something to hit to tighten up against the connector.